Alright, so we are keeping up with the burger concept. Today we are going to continue to do some more slider ideas, and we are going to do a jalapeno burger slider. And with it we're going to do an onion jam, and then we're going to do a Chipotle Aioli to go with it. But let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slice my jalapenos, and I'm going to do rings. Keep them kind of thin, but I'm also going to leave the seeds in because I'm feeling spicy. And I want to do these kind of thin because these will cook faster that way, and you'll get more burger than you will jalapeno, even though you want the flavor of the jalapeno. You also just don't want to be eating jalapenos. But hey, if you're feeling feisty like that, you do you, boo-boo. All right, put these in a bowl. Okay, next we're gonna dice an onion, and I want to, again, make these small dices, not huge dices, because they'll cook faster and more evenly. And again, you're trying to get a burger, not an onion burger or a jalapeno burger. We want a burger with an onion jam and jalapenos. Get the idea? And once I'm done dicing them, I'm gonna put this in this saucepan. And whatever you do, don't cry. All right, to the saucepan. All right, and then once you're done blubbering like a girl, dicing your onions, we're gonna add everything to our onions, so that we can just take it directly out there. We don't have to mess with it, and it can cook in everything. And then we'll make our sauce. And then we'll go cook some burgers. So, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then some salt. Okay, set him off to the side. Let's get our sauce ready. Okay, and this is a pretty straightforward sauce. I think I've made this a few times before, but it is a 1/4 cup of olive oil mayo, a teaspoon of garlic powder, or a tablespoon of fresh minced garlic if you have it. I don't. Garlic powder it is. Okay, then about a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, and anywhere from a 1/4 teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon of chipotle powder, depending on how spicy you want it. Okay, set him off to the side as well. And for the slider buns, we're going to use some good old Hawaiian rolls, because we're fancy like that. And then we got our lean ground beef, which I will form into about slightly over 2 ounce portions. All right, burgers pattied up. Onion jam ready to go. Jalapenos sliced. Sauce made. Rolls ready to go, sliced in half. And failed to mention, we're going to put Swiss cheese on this. And I'll probably do like half slices, because 1 piece of cheese for one seems a little aggressive. But anyway, to the Blackstone. That way. Alright, I got my buns, I got my boigers, and let's assemble. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is put on our grilled jalapenos. Next, our burger patties. Next, some of our sauce. Okay, and then some of our onion jam. Okay, and there you have some beautiful jalapeno sliders. Let's try these out. Let's give these a whirl. I'm excited. Let's go with this guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cheers. The sweetness from the bun, the heat, mostly from the jalapenos, and a little bit of the sauce, while also still be kind of being refreshing a little bit. And then the sweetness of those onions. This, And I didn't really add anything to the bun. I think it's just how the bun is made. But it almost adds a little bit of butteriness to it too, which this is fantastic. And you still get a little bit of texture from the jalapenos, but you get more of the flavor than you get just a big crunchy jalapeno. This is phenomenal. And there's just a little bit of char from the bun that kind of adds to the burger as well. Like, I should be saying words right now and I just don't want to. Nope, so I'm not going to. Nope. Well guys, there you have it. Jalapeno sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!